All right, here we go. Welcome back to my channel mga kanoypi. Here's your boy Forex Noypi. And continuing the series of how important your backtest is. So, ngayon pag-uusapan natin yung date number 3 nitong prop firm account na to. So, to give you guys more context, ginawa natin dito ay nag-backtest tayo ng 3 buwan. Actually, forward test siya. But basically, I tested the approach to the market that I was planning to do. The strategy is simply opening range breakout strategy. So, again, hindi ko pinopromote yung strategy, okay? Ang pinopromote ko dito is yung pagba-backtest. So, sa mga bago sa channel na to, ito yung resulta ng backtest or ng testing basically. In-add ko na dito yung trades ko today. So, currently running 101 trades. Ang initial capital ko for this sake is 1,000 and currently 18% gain. Tapos, ang maximum losing streak ko dito ay 8. Nakikita nyo dito yon yung mga pulahan, yan, 8 yan. At pag tiningnan mo dito, ito yung pivot table niya. Alright. So, may mga, ito, week 39, week 40, isang buong linggo akong drawdown on the back test. Week 41, drawdown pa din. Week 38, drawdown din. So, basically, itong pagtetest na to tells me kung ano ba ang kahihinatnan ko if I use this strategy. Okay? So, ito yung current journal natin ngayon. Ang goal natin is maka $10,000. And ito yung percent to goal, currently 3.88%. Meron tayong total of 9 trades. Syempre, may mga pagkakamali tayo kahit tulad nito, nagkamali tayo ng entry dyan. Ito, mali din to. Kung mapapansin nyo, malaki yung amount. So, punta tayo sa naging trades natin today. Okay? So, unang trade natin today is UK 100. So, ito yung tatlo lang yung asset na tinitrade ko dito. UK 100, US 30, tsaka S&P 500. So, pakita natin to dahil ito ay a loss. Ito sa loss. So, tingnan natin. Kita naman dito yung nangyari. UK 100. Ayan. So, ang ginawa ko dito is nag-buy ako dahil dito, this was the breakout. So, I will draw a line. Sana hindi mawala yung ayan. So, nakita mo tong candle na to. Etong candle na to, yung breakout candle. Okay? So, yun yung breakout candle. Tapos, inintay kong mag-retest. So, nag-retest siya, pero hindi niya ni-recognize ito as a support level. So, ang stop loss ko talaga is just right around below this structure. Tapos, nagdire-diretso na siya pababa. So, mabilis lang yan. Walang isang oras. Kung humigit kumulang, no? Nalaman ko agad that I was on a stop loss. Okay? So, all that's yun, yung trade na yun. Tapos, punta tayo sa US 30 dahil talo rin to. Ito yung nangyari. So, same concept. Ito yung opening range ko. Nasa loob ng dalawang linya na purple. Nag-breakout. Ito yung breakout candle. Nag-retest. Umangat. Nag-profit ng konti. At nagpadaos-dos na pababa. Okay? So, ang risk ko lang dito is 1% below or slightly above. No? Nakita nyo naman dun sa journal ko kanina, slightly above 1% or below 1%. Okay? S&P 500 naman, so this was a win for me. This was a sell. At pakita lang natin. So, again, ito yung opening range ko. This was the... Ulit. So, ito yung opening range ko. Ito, itong candle na to, lagyan natin ng konting drawing. So, this was my trade. Ito yung opening range ko. Candle. Balik natin. Ayan. So, when I saw this breakout candle, right, I saw that breakout candle, I marked it and I was a loss for the time being there. Tapos, nung tumama siya dito sa resistance area na to, nagpadaos-dos na siya pababa. Okay, so that I won 1:2. So, technically, for the entire day, profit lang ng konti. Kasi 95 plus 107 is about 202. Tapos, nanalo ko ng isa, which was 208. So, just about $6 of profit. And my total PNL is 388.38. So, technically, it's still a win overall. Pero, ganun talaga eh. So, I lost 2 trades but I still gained about $5.42 in total. Ngayon, kung magtataka kayo, $100,000 yung kapital mo. Bakit ang baba naman ng risk mo? Ang baba tuloy ng gain mo. Okay, well, ganito kasi yan. Explain ko sa'yo. Dahil sa backtesting results or sa testing results ko, sobrang illogical na gamitin ko yung risk based on $100,000 na kapital. So, dahil ang objective ko is to stay in the game until I win and finish this challenge, syempre, kailangan kong magbase sa $10,000 na maximum drawdown. Okay? Kung yung testing results ko umabot ng 3 buwan, bakit hindi pwedeng umabot ng 3 buwan or mahigit pa etong funding challenge na to? Okay? So, yun lang naman. It's a pretty okay day overall on this trading day. This is day number 3 of me doing this. Ngayon, kung may mga questions kayo, what I do and how I do it, comment down below lang. I'll be more than happy to answer you back. Follow me on my socials. Syempre, Forex Noypi, yung nasa TikTok ko, and then yung Facebook ko is FX Noypi. Okay? So, hanggang sa muli mga ka-Noypi, till my next video. Salamat!